everyone, my name's Lupita Hinojosa and I'm the super proud superintendent of Spring ISD, and I'm coming to you today to say thank you. Mil gracias a todos. Our 3 bond propositions were approved November 8th, and that's a true vote of confidence for our district. This bond proposition includes improving and increasing the safety and security across our entire district. It also includes funding for all that deferred maintenance, work that hasn't been done but needs to be done, like replacing roofs in our buildings and improving our heating and cooling systems. And also replacing Spring High School, the oldest building in the district, built back in 1968. Also, money's been allocated for Westfield High School, Jenkins Elementary, and Reynolds Elementary. And also, and most importantly, I believe, it includes technology for our students as well as for our teachers in the classrooms. And last but not least, it includes our EPIC building, a place where our students can have performances as well as competitions, such as robotic competitions. It will be a place that can be used for a reunification site, convocation, and most importantly, our graduations can now be inside. So look for updates coming to you soon because the work is just starting. So again, thank you to our entire community. Special thanks to our Board of Education, to the Bond Steering Committee, because this bond proposal was built by our community, including parents, teachers, principals, students, and other community members. So from the bottom of my heart and our entire district, thank you. Thank you for trusting Spring ISD. Thank you for setting us up, setting our students up for a better future. Thank you.